ఓకే సో ఎస్ పాయల్ రాజ్పూత్ గారు ఇప్పుడు వేసుకున్న శారీ ఒకవేళ మీకు బాగా నచ్చినట్టయితే కనుక కోడ్ వచ్చేసి MJ1631 అండి అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 49,995 rupees, but offer price for next 24 hours is 40,000 rupees only.
So any discounts you are offering right now?
Yes, it's only for 24 hours that we are giving this discount. And simply घर पे बैठो और शॉपिंग करो. कितना अच्छा होता है.
I mean, मुझे लगता है कि कोरोना टाइम पे हम लोग शॉपिंग से बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं. It's so convenient for all of us to sit at home and just shop online.
Exactly. अभी वेडिंग का सीजन भी चल रहा है. You know, आपको टैन होने का भी डर नहीं है. घर में बैठो
आराम से करो. In fact, you're offering discounts. तो मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ प्लीज ब्रांड मंडे से शॉपिंग कीजिए. डिस्काउंट बहुत सारे हैं.
Yes. So next साड़ी देखते हैं हम. हमारे पास बहुत सारी कनेक्शंस है यहाँ पे जो हम कुछ आपके साथ भी दिखाना पसंद करेंगे. And okay, but before that, Kanchipuram bridal look that we are releasing today. Okay, so let's see the exclusive bridal collection that we are releasing today on hands of Payal ji. ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि मैं आपको गिफ्ट दे रही हूँ. हाँ लगता है. और आप इतनी मतलब उत्सुकता से ऐसे कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं इसको.
It's a new logo or what?
No, it's an exclusive bridal collection क्योंकि अभी wedding collection आ रहा है हमारे पास. So मंदिर की तरफ से bridal collection.
So all the sari lovers.
जो शादी करने वाले हैं प्लीज आ जाइए यहाँ. थैंक यू.
मैं तो भी नहीं यूज कर सकती क्योंकि अभी मेरी शादी में कुछ साल है.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछने से पहले आपने जवाब दे दिया. थैंक यू. जी हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट कलेक्शन हम लोग देखते हैं कंचीपुरम की. The lady in the golden attire, I must
This
say.
is such an elegant color.
Yes.
Pink and a hint of gold.
Peach, yeah, complete. So it's such a beautiful saree that you're wearing right now. And yes, gold and silver pink kicharu and cross checks with lotus and the complete body which is cross check and with lotus and kadi with curves border icharu. You can see such a beautiful border and kalu. Zira apna haath aisa lahraiye Payal ji. Yes, so as you all can see, such a beautiful border pallu that we have with this. And yes, प्योर जरी का होता है ये. तो यू नो यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर साउथ में ऐसा होता है कि आपका कोई भी फेस्टिव हो तो आप लोग ये साड़ी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड यस, సో ఈ సారీ కనుక మీకు బాగా నచ్చినట్టయితే కోడ్ వచ్చేసి MJ1646 అండి అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 89,995 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 72,000 rupees only. So beautiful ladies out there, what are you waiting? All that you have to do is 888-3260-260 number की WhatsApp చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది मेरी details. And
Handle with care, please. They're
yes,
so beautiful.
yes, such a beautiful saree we have right now. And next,
So this is all pure silk or what?
yes, pure Kanchipuram hand weave. And the
Hand weave?
beauty of, yeah, actually, it's how did this all started is like, you know, the ancient temples, the sculptures आप देखते हैं साउथ में. This is all from this only. Like, it's been inspired with all the sculptures and the
Actually, it is reflecting our culture and heritage at the same time. All detailing are like that.
yes. So
Nice, yeah.
yeah, as you all can see, such a beautiful maroon saree that we have right now. Body completely zari checks hai yahan pe and border aake. It's a beautiful curry border that we have and pallu is a curry pallu that we have. Such a beautiful and blouse వచ్చేసి self blouse అండి దీనికి. And if you don't want to have this blouse, you want to have some designer blouse, we have R for Rukmani. As you are already wearing R for Rukmani ka blouse. That's an exclusive designer with blouses that we have. And to all the saree guys, yes. So item code వచ్చేసి MJ1644 and price వచ్చేసి 48 for 48,839 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 39,070 rupees మాత్రమే.
I think I should replace all my night suits and everything with sarees.
And वो लहरा के चलना घर में.
I know, just you walk and you feel like a diva, you know.
Yeah. And हर लड़की का ना every girl's first saree is her mom's saree.
Right, this is what, you know, I can recall my childhood days whenever she used to come out. She's a teacher actually. She used to run her Montessori school.
Okay.
And every morning she used to wear proper sarees with so much of grace and, you know, so much of respect. So yeah, I can recall those days right now.
Even when we are wearing something jeans or something, हमारी चाल कुछ और होती है.
Sorry, but see how gracefully I'm standing right now, just like a diva, you know, head high, with a lot of confidence, and that's a speciality.
Yes, perfect. And the next beautiful saree that's coming up on our way is the beautiful green and purple color saree and Kanchipuram tissue, which is in the light weight. All the sarees that you are
It's
seeing
actually
right
very
now-
lightweight.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a
It
very
seems
lightweight.
seems to be a little heavy, but I don't think so. It's
No, it's completely lightweight.
like a carry and yeah.
Pallu చూసారు కదండి already. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast blouse and body completely floral jar. Completely floral होने की वजह से the color combination also you see.
Yeah,
like,
it's not that loud.
Yeah. Green and purple gives it like एक दूसरे को complement कर रहे हैं. Yes. And yes, my ladies, the code for this saree is MJ1645 and the price is 1,14,995 rupees. But the offer price for next 24 hours is 92,000 rupees only. So beautiful brides, I must say. You're already having a look on this saree and I know you want
So tell me one thing, we can use it for a bridal saree as well?
Yes.
In South India, like in
हाँ, actually आप कहीं पे भी जाएंगे या तो वो anywhere మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ये नहीं है ब्राइड्स ఎక్కడైనా చూడండి కంచీపురం is like you know first thought हम लोग अगर कहीं पे भी कुछ भी करने जाते हैं కంచీపురమే వస్తుంది మా మైండ్ లో ఏమైనా పూజలు కూర్చోవాలన్నా కానీ ఏమైనా చేయాలన్నా
any festival is there, you have to like it's a mandatory thing that you have to do.
जैसे आप देखते हैं कि नॉर्थ में बांधनी होती है
Yes, yes, yes.
बट हियर इट इज लाइक कम्प्लीटली ये कंचीपुरम साड़ीज चलती है
Okay.
क्योंकि दे आर प्योर जरी एंड हैंड वीव होती है तो यहाँ के हर चीज में हर अच्छे
Nice,
काम में
yeah.
दिस वी यूज दिस यस एंड अभी हम एक्सक्लूसिवली ब्राइडल कलेक्शन दिखा रहे हैं तो
This is so beautiful.
ओके सो
This is a prettier-
टाइगर की सारी
Prettiest one.
Yes, Kanchi Kalamkari. The sari is Kalamkari, which is like you know beach blue color.
Love to
And,
flaunt it.
Yes, such a beautiful hand painted. And इसमें बहुत बढ़िया बात ये है
Yeah.
कि these are all like used with the vegetable colors.
Really?
Yes. There are no artificial colors.
Artificial
used.
colours
There
or
are only-
chemicals and
yes,
everything.
It's a natural colors used to paint this whole sari, and pallu is like kanchi pallu that we have. That's beautifully weaved.
This is a unique collection, I must say. I mean, wide range of collection you people have.
yes. And,
Very nice.
Okay, so the blouse contrast వచ్చిందండి and if you want to get this sari which Payal just loved it the code is MJ1641 and price వచ్చేసి 69,995 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 56,000 rupees మాత్రమే. So ladies 883260
It's a very affordable price also.
and how do you feel like कितना lightweight
It's
है
very light.
and softness कितना
Soft
है?
and you know the thing that I'm liking the most is this craft.
yeah.
Just look at the paintings and so desi and you know
And
it's
उसमें
crafted
से
so well.
natural colors आपको पता भी नहीं होगा कि इतने natural colors होते
Exactly.
भी हैं.
My favorite
Yeah.
one.
Yes. So the next one. So इसी में से हम थोड़ी collections देखेंगे. कंची कलमकारी में. That's a grey and green combination that we have and fishes and lotus booties with pen kalamkari है इसका border and पल्लू आके कंची पल्लू complete कंची पल्लू तो completely आप painting देखते हो और फिर पल्लू में आप कंची पल्लू देखते हो.
Yeah.
It's like really feel good fresh
Yeah.
वाला feeling. Yes.
Pretty one.
And yes, so blouse contrast and as you all can see the body, such a beautiful sari that
And I'm
we have.
liking these dull colors in fact, you know, because this is boosting, they all are complementing
Yeah.
each other. It's so beautiful.
Okay,
Nice
so
one.
to buy the sari the code is MJ1640 and price 44,995 rupees, but offer price వచ్చేసి 36,000 rupees మాత్రమే అండి. So if you want to buy the saree, all that you have to do is screenshot తీసి మాకు పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. And remember, మీరు ఉన్న దగ్గర నుంచి మాకు వీడియో కాల్ చేస్తేనే సరిపోతుంది. We'll show you all the other collections also. And yes, we are also present at road number 10 Banjara Hills and road number 56 Jubilee Hills. So get ready everyone. The next saree that is coming up on the way is this. So for what all occasions do you prefer wearing sari?
In North India, I rarely wear saris, but whenever I'm here in like in Hyderabad or in Chennai, I prefer wearing saris. So even if I go for shoots, like you know, if I'm like last movie was Venki Mama, and there I've worn saris,
Yes, yes.
and people loved it a lot. So
Exactly.
I have
Even I loved it.
I'm crazy for saris. I'm a sari lover completely. And I'm inspiring a lot of girls to wear sari, and they have also become a sari lover now. So yeah.
That's really good.
So for Diwali, for like Diwali is there, some farewell is there, some good interviews are there, then I prefer to wear saris.
Okay. So who gave you first sari gift?
My first sari gift, I think someone from Telangana only, someone from Andhra Pradesh. I mean, I did one shop opening there only. They gifted me a lot of saris.
Oh, great. So yes. Such a beautiful collection
Yes.
coming up from our mandir, and this is like pink and blue. Such a beautiful collection. Kalamkrari floral work వచ్చిందండి, and pallu వచ్చేసి floral brocade అన్నమాట completely, and border చూసారు కదా, curry with double peacock అండి. Such a beautiful. So peacocks are like all-time favorite of
Yeah,
all
they
the
are.
beautiful.
They're
ladies.
forever.
Yes. So such a beautiful border కూడా దీనికి చూసారు కదా, and blouse వచ్చేసి contrast blouse. And item code వచ్చేసి MJ1301 and price వచ్చేసి 59,995 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 48,000 rupees మాత్రమే. Yes sir. So अगर आपकी शादी होगी तो what would you like to wear? लहंगा और साड़ी?
Up the
क्योंकि
sari.
north-
Up the sari.
Up the
No,
sari.
I'm not exaggerating actually, but let me tell you personally, जब भी मैं साउथ इंडियन ब्राइड को देखती हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार नॉर्थ में हम लोग लहंगा पहनते हैं और भारी भारी लहंगास पहनते हैं, बट यहाँ पर जस्ट अ सिंपल साड़ी एंड यू आर ऑल सेट टू गो, यू नो, फॉर योर ब्राइडल थिंग. सो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एक बार नॉर्थ में शादी करना पड़ेगा और एक बार मुझे साउथ में करना पड़ेगा ताकि मुझे दोनों पहनने को मिले.
अच्छा, तो यस प्रॉबली हम लोग शायद वेट कर रहे हैं उस दिन.
I'll invite you. I'll invite you.
సో రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తానన్నారు మమ్మల్ని. ఎస్, SRJ Fine Jewelers, as you can see the beautiful
Yeah, it's
jewelry that
beautiful.
we both are wearing right now.
I just love the jewelry.
You just love the
It's
jewelry.
complementing the sari, so
Okay.
thank you
So
so much.
SRJ Jewelers, she already wants to buy this jewelry, or she just wants to take this away. So yes, that's now the north and
This
south
is-
wala tadka.
Now this is Bandhani kind of
Yes.
stuff, okay?
हाँ.
Kanchipuram and Bandhani, like you know,
हाँ,
both
तो
together.
ये साउथ और नॉर्थ, अभी आपने बोला ना कि आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड इन नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, तो देखिए ये वाला हम लोग आपके लिए ला रहे हैं. एज यू कैन सी చూస్తున్నారు కదండి, సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ మరూన్ కాంబినేషన్ విచ్ ఇస్ యాప్ ఫర్ ఎనీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లేడీ అవుట్ దేర్. సో నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ రెండు తడకాలు ఉండడం వల్ల చాలా మంది దీన్ని ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ బాడీ వచ్చేసి మొత్తం బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి, యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బూటీస్ విత్ బాన్ని, అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి హెవీ బార్డర్ కడీ ఫ్లోరల్ అండ్ పీకాక్ బార్డర్ అండి. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి కంచి పళ్ళు. సో కంచిపురం శారీస్ చూపిస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ బ్రైడల్ లుక్ కాబట్టి, యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ and beautiful look, and contrast blouse is like an app for it. And yes, this saree code is MJ1637 and price వచ్చేసి 59,995 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 48,000 rupees మాత్రమే. All that you have to do is then screenshot తీసి 8883260260 కి మీరు కాల్ చేస్తే వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. And remember, And the best part that we have is like you know Payal, कि अगर आप हैदराबाद में हैं तो आप हैदराबाद में ही नहीं, हम लोगों का सर्विस is like global. We are
Okay.
servicing like global service for like you know courier.
Okay.
So wherever you are sitting, if you're just watching our live and you want to get ordered this saree, you can just grab that.
That's good for
है ना?
all my fans and viewers. Guys, please have a look. Designs are amazing, super unique. So if you want to shop it right now. And yeah.
Yes, and next. So what's your favorite color that you want to pick when you see a saree? अब ये मत बोलना.
No, not pink. I'm not a pink lover though. But I like yellowish
Okay.
and golden with any color like.
Okay.
Like you can go for peach color, mix of peach and golden, that's my favorite combination.
Okay, so फिलहाल तो पिंक है हमारे पास,
It's
पिंक
okay,
एंड
काम
रेड.
चल जाएगा.
Yes, so yes,
This is more of like Jaipuri print.
हाँ, yes. तो such a beautiful saree అండి, కరీ విత్ పీకాక్ యాలీస్ ఉన్నాయి, మొత్తం బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి అండ్ కంచి పళ్ళు వచ్చేస్తుంది అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్ అండి. యాజ్ యూ ఆల్ కెన్ సీ సచ్ అ లవ్లీ సారీ అండ్ యా
Yeah, nice one.
कितना क्यूट लग रहा है ये कलर.
It is.
అండ్ ఎస్ ఈ సారీ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే కనుక మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఐటమ్ కోడ్ వచ్చేసి MJ1638 అండి. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 56,995 రూపీస్. ఆఫర్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 45,600 రూపీస్ మాత్రమే. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీయండి, మాకు పంపించండి అండ్ యూ కెన్ గ్రాబ్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ ఫ్రమ్ యోర్. అండ్ ఈ వీడియోలో మీరు ఏదైనా మిస్ అయితే కనుక వీఆర్ ఆల్సో సేవింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ కనెక్ట్ us and if you haven't followed our page, please do follow Brand Mandir. Yes.
All my fans are there. I know I cannot communicate. Yeah, this is something I love the most. I mean, this color.
Okay, so आपका color आ
Yellow.
चुका है, yellow and orange.
Yeah.
That's an on go for all the sari lovers out there. क्योंकि कोई भी इसमें मतलब आप कोई भी एज ग्रुप ले लो, ये कलर सब पे
Yeah, this is very decent. Not so
Yes.
loud. Someone.
Okay, so this is like an kanchi pallu and border వచ్చేసి diamonds and elephants అండి. Such a beautiful border that we have and blouse వచ్చేసి contrast blouse ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది దీనిపైన. And కంచిపురం sarees లో బాందిని అనేది it's a great combination to have. And to own this saree, all that you have to do is item code వచ్చేసి MJ1639 and price వచ్చేసి 54,995 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 44,000 rupees మాత్రమే. And yes, so customized blouses కూడా ఉన్నాయి మా దగ్గర. As you can see, R for Rukmani, which is another brand from Brand Mandir. So if you want to grab and customize blouse, all that you have to do is మాకు కాల్ చేస్తే లేదంటే R for Rukmani మీరు వెళ్ళి చూస్తే కనుక you can grab the customized blouses there also. And yes, there's a next beautiful collection coming in and khadi.
That is such a pretty one.
Yes, khadi. So khadi is like, you know, आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में
It's
है.
a evergreen collection for every age group.
Yes. So ఫైర్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు ఎవర్
Such
గ్రీన్
a-
ఫర్
yeah.
ఎనీ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ అన్నారు.
Pretty one.
ఖాదీ such a beautiful grey color saree as you all can see and జామ్దని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్లవర్స్ కూడా చూసారు కదా, మధ్యలో పింక్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్రైట్నెస్ అలా అందిస్తుంది మనకి. అండ్ కడి విత్ టెంపుల్ బార్డర్ అండి దీనికి యాజ్ యూ ఆల్ కెన్ సీ. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి కడి పళ్ళు, such a beautiful pallu that we have right now. And blouse వచ్చేసి self blouse ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. And yes, such a beautiful grey color saree. And to grab this saree, all that you have to do is code వచ్చేసి MJ1634 and price వచ్చేసి 91,400 rupees and offer price వచ్చేసి 73,120 rupees మాత్రమే. 8883260260కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. అండ్ ఈ ఆఫర్ 24 hours మాత్రమే valid. అండ్ మీరు వచ్చి విజిట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే రోడ్ నెంబర్ 10 అండ్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 56 జూబ్లీ హిల్స్లో మేము ఉన్నాము. బంజారా హిల్స్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 10 అండ్ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 56 వీఆర్ అవైలబుల్ అండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ టేకింగ్ ఆల్ ద ప్రికాషన్స్, సేఫ్టీ ప్రికాషన్స్. ఫైల్ గారు కూడా వచ్చారు కదా.
Yeah, we
సో
are.
యా
It's quite risky right now, but with all precautions and measures, we can go ahead.
yes. So that's my favorite color that's flaunting on you
That's
right
yours?
now. Yeah.
Very
Whenever
nice.
I go for shopping,
It's a very light one actually.
Yes.
It's a very light and very nude colors. Nudes and pastels.
तो जब भी मैं बाहर जाऊँ I'll get this kind of sarees for my mom.
Okay.
Yeah, so beach color అండి, such a beautiful color and flowers వచ్చేసి dragon flies వచ్చాయి దీనిపైన as you can see, such a beautiful
Yeah, it's
saree
very beautiful.
and contrast edge వచ్చింది కాబట్టి see you have got a pink color edge on it.
The border is
And,
nice.
yes, కరీ పళ్ళు వచ్చింది దీనికి and blouse వచ్చేసి self, such an elegant one, sophisticated look.
Guys, what you're
you know?
waiting for? Come on, shop for your mom, for your sister, and this is the apt one.
Yes.
Don't you think so?
I am like definitely. I already told you this is like my favorite thing.
Yeah,
that you're
this
flaunting
is.
on. Yes, and yes, and all that we have is like, you know, if anybody have grabbed this kind of sarees from our Brand Mandir, all that you have to do is click a picture, tag us on #Brand Mandir Live,
All right.
and we are giving them some special offers.
All right.
So
That's a good scheme.
Yeah.
That's a good scheme.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ ఈ సారీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే కనుక MJ1636కి ఐటమ్ కోడ్ అండి అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 84,000 అండ్ ఆఫర్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 67,200 రూపీస్ మాత్రమే. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గ్రాబ్ దిస్ సారీ, ప్లీజ్ వాట్సాప్ us on the given number. Yes. So SRJ Jewelers, and this jewelry is apt for any kind of sari. Any
Yeah, it's
sari
going
that
with
you're
every
putting on.
sari, yeah.
Yes. So that's another beautiful blue color. So chusar kada, such a beautiful color that we have, and big trees with birds in
Yeah.
it. It's a completely bird
It's
look.
very different.
Yes, and border వచ్చేసి కడి with temple border అండి. As you all can see, పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి కడి పళ్ళు వచ్చింది దీనికి. As you all can see, and blouse వచ్చేసి self blouse, and blue color is for any girl,
Yeah, it
any
is.
person who would
Especially
love
the
to wear.
embroidery and the art they have done on this sari is like, you know, it's making it really unique and
Beautiful. The
impeccable.
colors that they have used with the
Yeah.
blue is like brightening up it much more, right? So yes, so code వచ్చేసి ఈ సారీది MJ1635 అండి, and price వచ్చేసి 68,600 rupees, and offer price వచ్చేసి 54,880 rupees మాత్రమే. All that you have to do is then screenshot తీసి 8883260260 కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, and you can actually grab more and more collections on www.brandmandir.com. సో ఇంకా కలెక్షన్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే మేము చూపించేది కొన్ని మాత్రమే, ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి మా దగ్గర కలెక్షన్స్. అండ్ ఎస్, బనారస్, बनारस की बर्फी.
बनारस की बर्फी और बनारस की साड़ी
साड़ी।
बहुत बहुत फेमस है.
जी हाँ, तो
Oh,
this is
there's a
बनारसी।
yellow hint over here. I can't
Yes.
see that, but
जी हाँ, तो ये कॉन्ट्रास्ट ब्लाउज आया है इसके साथ, एंड ब्लू के साथ येलो वाला
Yellow.
इज लाइक really really
and this
good.
is actually not a blue. It's a kind of, you know, some like different color. I won't call it blue, but yeah,
टील
it's a
ब्लू,
yeah.
टील ब्लू है,
Yes.
एंड बॉर्डर्स आके पूरे कर्व लाइंस
Golden.
दिए गए हैं, एंड ज्योमेट्रिकल लाइंस दिए गए हैं इसके ऊपर. दिस इज लाइक
It's a
यू नो
pretty one.
बनारस के ऊपर आप कभी भी जाओगे यू
हाँ.
गेट सम डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ऑल रेगुलर काइंड्स ऑफ prints, बट दिस इज यू नो elegant
Elegant,
and at the same
classy,
time
graceful.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, for grabbing this saree, the code is MJ1085 andi, and price వచ్చేసి 29,600 rupees, and offer price వచ్చేసి 23,680 rupees మాత్రమే. 8883260260 కి కాల్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది to see more and more collections, and the offer valid for only 24 hours. And now this is Banarsi other
Pure patola.
pure patola
Patola.
saree. Yes, so patola sarees. and
Patola
इसके
sari,
ऊपर-
yeah.
हाँ, आप भी
Proper.
पटोला लग रही
नहीं
है
नहीं वो
इसमें.
it reminds me of that song Proper Patola.
हाँ,
नखरा ए swag. Suit पटियाला.
नहीं, ये साड़ी
साड़ी
पटियाला.
पटियाला.
जी हाँ, so that's in royal blue color that you're watching right now. Checks with swans, parrots, fish, elephant, lions and dolls. All the beautiful animals are on here, printed over here. And lines है, कड़ी पल्लू है इसके साथ, and such an elegant one. And अभी गाना गा के भी सुना दिया है आप लोगों को. पटोला वाली साड़ी है ये. And the code for this saree is MJ23, and price వచ్చేసి 1,54,000 rupees అండి, but offer price వచ్చేసి 1,23,200 rupees మాత్రమే. So grab this saree, all the beautiful ladies out there, because the festive season is here and I don't want you to miss any kinds of our collections.
Sorry?
Yes. So the last one that we are showing on you right now.
Oh.
Okay.
I can
the
see
Paithani-
proper jungle over here.
Yes. So
good.
इसे कहते हैं पैतानी कलेक्शन.
Petani.
Yes, पैतानी कलेक्शन. पिंक एंड ब्लैक कलर की ये साड़ी है,
Okay.
एंड बटरफ्लाईज, as you can see, so छोटे cute
This is
butterflies
cotton.
है.
This is cotton, and this is again the
Zari.
zari.
Yes. हाँ. So yes, such a beautifully painted one. Zari
It is
के
indeed
साथ.
a beautiful one.
Yes.
Guys, have a look. It's really beautiful.
So पैतानी पल्लू है इसके साथ, और ब्लाउज सेल्फ आया है. एंड to grab this saree, the code is MJ1630 అండి. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 1,45,000, and offer price వచ్చేసి 1,45,000. Yes. So the beautiful ladies out there,
I just love this collection.
what's
Seriously.
the next movie that you're doing?
My next movie. Okay. So I just shifted here to Hyderabad like 25 days back, and now I'm shooting for one movie. It's a Kal Ratri.
Okay.
It's a very dark and very grey movie, I would say. And it's a remake of some Kannada movie, Akal Ratri.
Okay.
So that's what I'm shooting for in Ramoji. So yeah, I
So,
just got free and I just came
తెలుగు
here.
బాగా ఇష్టమా, హిందీ బాగా ఇష్టమా మీకు?
No, you cannot compare that. But ఇప్పుడు I love Telugu people. I love Andhra. I love Telangana. I mean, they have given me so much what I never dreamt of.
Okay.
So I'm really grateful to them.
మీరు కూడా మాకు చాలా చాలా మంచి మంచి మూవీస్ ఇచ్చారు యాక్చువల్గా. RX100 తర్వాత నాకు తెలిసి మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎంత మంది ఉన్నారంటే అంతమంది ఉన్నారు. సో బాగా మెమరబుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి విత్ సారీ? అందరికి ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా సారీతో పాటు.
It's just that every time wherever I go, I wear sarees only, and I got many compliments every time. So they just ask me like, how you look so graceful with saree, and all credit goes to my mom because the way she used to handle her, effortlessly and gracefully.
What's the best compliment that you've got when you wear a saree? Don't tell me. I already complimented you.
Once, I'm not exaggerating again, but they were like, "Oh, you're looking like Kareena Kapoor." I was like, and his best one was like, "You look like your mom."
Oh,
that was the bestest. Yeah, that was the bestest one so far. But yeah,
हमारे टॉलीवुड की तो करीना कपूर आप ही हैं, obviously. Yes, so that's a beautiful compliment.
In fact, you're looking very pretty. I love your blouse.
है ना? और इतनी देर तक मैं कोई साड़ी कैरी कर पाई हूँ just because of the light weight that I have right now.
I know.
Yes, and the next beautiful sari. Oh, I must say that in graceful color that's coming up on our way. Actually, such a colorful sari actually. Yes, sir. Such a beautiful pink color sari and all over floral जाल के साथ birds भी हैं इसके ऊपर and you can see such a beautiful one. पल्लू running है इसका क्योंकि साड़ी अपने आप में इतनी cute लग रही है. Okay, if you have given the sari and you have to wear for an occasion, which occasion would you choose to?
I'll go for Diwali.
Diwali?
Yeah, that's a very bright festival, so would love to wear something like very colorful, very glittery, at the same time lightweight.
अच्छा, तो सेम विद SRJ ज्वेलर्स हमारे जो अमिकेट एंड
हम ये ले जाएंगे और ये ले जाएंगे दिवाली के लिए.
और मेरा वाला भी इनके अकाउंट में लिख लीजिएगा. Yes, and this saree's code is MJ1674 and price వచ్చేసి 2,33,900 rupees అండి. But offer price వచ్చేసి 2,33,900 rupees. Yes, to grab this saree you can call us on 8883260260 అండి. Yes, the beautiful ladies out there and yes. Which color do you prefer to wear in sari? And from the huge collections of all that you have seen right now, which would be your favorite?
My favorite was, I'll say, the bandhani one, the yellow one. A hint of silk and the bandhani was coming in between, so I really love that one.
आपका मतलब fabric का कौन सा पहनना पसंद करते हैं?
I prefer like mostly Georgette I like, then I like silk, pure silk, and what I'm wearing right now, it is also very nice. It's
so
it's
next
very light.
time Payal is going anywhere, we are making sure that she gets this kind of a beautiful
I'll come
sari.
here, I'll get ready and I move from here only. So no.
Yes. So हाँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप आएंगी तो हम श्योर करेंगे कि आपको ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन ना हो क्योंकि इतनी हेवी कलेक्शंस में से आपको थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन.
मैंने ऑलरेडी सारे देख लिए तो मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे कंफ्यूजन होगा.
Yes. Next color is like a beautiful blue color sari and completely floral jal with beautiful peacocks on it. A bunch of beautiful peacocks on it, body mottamu and border vachesi single muya with temple andi. Such a beautiful border that we have and pallu vachesi floral and parrots. Iska pallu kitna cute lag raha hai. Such a beautiful pallu that we have.
It's very beautiful, yeah.
Yes, and blouse vachesi self blouse andi dindi and Dasara Diwali ostundi. So what you're waiting for, all that you have to do is you have to grab this beautiful sari from us and yes, ఇంకా కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే మీరు brandmandir.com కి మీరు విజిట్ అవ్వచ్చండి అండ్ ద కోడ్ వచ్చేసి MJ1643 అండి. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 1,36,500 rupees and offer price కూడా 1,36,500 rupees. So beautiful brides out there and beautiful ladies out there, so this is the apt time that you can sit and watch us and remember all these videos are saved on Facebook and Instagram, so మీరు ఏదైనా మిస్ అవుతే మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చూడాలనుకున్నా కానీ మీరు చూడొచ్చు అండ్ మళ్ళీ వినాలనుకుంటే కూడా వినొచ్చు దట్ వాట్స్ ఆర్ ఫేవరెట్ అనేవి. ఎస్, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో లెట్ us యాక్చువల్లీ గో ఫర్ ఎస్ ఓన్లీ ఈ पैतानी ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే చూసామో अभी जो हमने देखा है we don't have the offer price क्योंकि ये directly हम वहीं से weavers का price है, we are giving on that same price, so there are so much
but anyway you are offering some discounts, right?
So yes, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలి అని మా అందరూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అనుకుంటున్నారు. సో మీరు తెలుగులో ఒకసారి చెప్పండి, మా బ్రాండ్ మందిని ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, మా కలెక్షన్స్ ని బాగా
that's
చూడాలి.
quite difficult, but let me try. So andarki please brand mandir చూడ
Page ni follow
ఫాలో ఇవ్వండి. And మొత్తం collection is like చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. So come shop here. Sitting at home also you can shop, and they have got some impeccable collection that reflects our culture and heritage. So what to wait for? Right now, shop for it.
వన్ లాస్ట్ కొంచెం టాస్క్ ఇవ్వాలనిపిస్తుంది మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తుంటే నాకెందుకో. సో మీ సారీ
నన్ను నేను ప్రేమిస్తాను. That's it in Telugu.
ఓకే, సో మీ మూవీ నుంచి మీరు ఒక డైలాగ్ చెప్పండి. RX100 కాకుండా వెంకీ మామ నుంచి చెప్పండి. వెంకీ మామలో మీ లుక్ మాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. ఆ సారీ లుక్ లో మీరు ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నారు అసలు.
That was absolutely a very amazing look for me so far in my career.
And directly వెంకటేష్ గారితో అంటే it was like
I was so scared for the very first time when I met him in person. I was like, I was actually shivering. Okay, Venkatesh Garu is going to come. So yeah, that was an amazing experience. And dialogue you want to hear?
Yeah. లేదంటే పాట పాడినా పర్లేదు, మీరు టిక్ టాక్ చేయడం కూడా మేము చూసాము.
అవునా?
10 రూపాయితే తుర్తురే. yes please.
What do you want me to say? 10 rupees de turture. Guys, I'm having very good time over here, and it's truly being an honor.
ఒకసారి ఈసారి పాయల్ మీద చూడాలని ఉంది అని వాళ్ళందరూ అనుకుంటున్నారు.
And seriously, it's truly being an honor to be associated with Brand Mandir. It is one of the renowned brands and one of my favorites too. So yeah, it's my honor to be here tonight and meeting all of you out there, all crew, and everyone is so humble and down to earth. And I had a amazing time.
మీరు మర్చిపోతున్నారు, పాట పాడమన్నాను పాయల్ గారు. పాట
పాడండి.
సాంగ్ एक गाना गाना है आपको.
I'm very bad at singing. I cannot do that. Come on, I can't do that. I just know one thing. Pillara. That's it. Thank you so much.
So ये सारी एक बार आपके ऊपर देखना चाहते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स, क्योंकि उनको बहुत पसंद आई है ये सारी. शायद उनके घर पे भी कोई आप जैसे दिखने वाली हो. Yes. So that's another beautiful saree that you have just watched, and we want to show you back again.
This color and contrast is very in actually. Might be that's why people are loving it more than.
So మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా మీరు చూడొచ్చు సారీని. Yes, green and purple. Okay.
Nice.
సో ఇంత మంచి సారీస్ మీకు చూపించేశారు కదా, మరి మీరు అస్సలు వెయిట్ చేయకుండా టక మీరు ఆర్డర్స్ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నాము. అండ్ ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ పాయల్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ ఓవర్ హియర్ అండ్ గెటింగ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ అవర్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్.
Thank you so much.
Once again, you are looking stunning.
Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you.
Thank you so much, dear.
Thank you.
So మా ఫ్యాన్స్ కి.
So to all my fans, guys, finally I've shifted to Hyderabad, to one of my favorite industries, Telugu industry, and just need your love and support at every step. Thank you so much once again.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get back. So Payal garu today manam baat chellaru kanna collections inka available. Here's the beautiful collection that we have right now. I think kada Art for Rukmani, our brand, and that is just Japan kada mi andaki